Welcome to Cookin with Bobbi Jo. Today we are making a drool-worthy salmon recipe. This is honey garlic salmon, and you will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a little salt and pepper, a teaspoon or so of crushed pepper flakes, 1/3 cup of raw honey, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 fresh lemon, which I do not have, so I will be just skipping that part, 4 salmon fillets, and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm going to start off by mincing the garlic. It is super simple to do with this handy little gadget. I will put a link in my video description for this if you need to buy one for yourself. I'm trying to remember to put links to my kitchen items, but I always forget to put those in the video description. So if I do forget and you see something that you would like to buy, just let me know. I'll put a link in the video description. Freshly minced garlic tastes so good. It is so much better than that store-bought minced garlic that you can store in the refrigerator, and plus it does not have any extra additives. So I have peeled and washed the cloves. I place it in and I press the garlic out, and I just use the flat edge of a knife to scrape it off. See how simple that is? Super easy. I have my cast iron skillet on the stove. I turn the heat on about number 4. I am going to pour some olive oil in the skillet. I should have probably measured that. This may be a little too much, but oh well. I'm going to let this heat up while I get the sauce ready. You want your skillet hot before you put the fish in. Fish is great to cook if you want something healthy, low calorie, and quick. So start with, you want to mix together the honey, soy sauce, and lemon juice. I'm going to add in my pepper flakes, and I'm going to mix all that together. I'm going to salt and pepper the salmon. And I just place a pinch of garlic in the skillet to see if it sizzles, so I know if it's hot enough for the fish. You want it to sizzle before you put the fish in. It is sizzling, so I'm just going to go ahead and place the fish skin side up in the skillet. And if you don't like the fish skin, just remove it. The fish skin has a lot of healthy benefits to it, plus I think it's really good. Let it cook for about 6 minutes. Set a timer because you don't want it to cook too long or it'll dry out, and fish isn't that good once it's dried out. I also have this small skillet with a tablespoon of butter melted. I'm placing a salmon fillet skin side up in this too. This is for our picky eater. Back to the other skillet, I'm going to go ahead and salt and pepper the skin side too. In 6 minutes, flip the salmon. This is my fish spatula. You can use a regular spatula for this if that's all you have. I find the fish spatula comes in super handy when cooking fillets of fish. The spatula is really thin, so it's easy to slide up underneath the fish to make sure nothing's sticking. And that way, when you flip your fish, you don't have anything sticking to the skillet. Once you've flipped all the fillets, place the minced garlic in the skillet and cook it for about a minute. Then pour in the sauce. and cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes, then basting the salmon fillets as you're cooking it. So Steve went and delivered a couple of pieces of salmon to his parents, along with some carrots and some bread. So I turned this off because I don't want to keep it on low, because salmon has a habit of drying out if you cook it too long. So I've turned the heat completely off. I actually removed this off the burner, just now put it back on the burner because I need to warm it back up because he's on his way now. So I have it back on like number 4 on my stove, warming it up, and put some glaze on it. So hopefully it won't be dried out after sitting here for a few minutes. It smells really good. It looks really good. But we have this. We have some carrots back here. And I also have some stirred fried veggies. I did onion, mushroom, sweet bell peppers, and zucchini, and stir fried that all together as a side. I'll plate it all up in just a few minutes, but I just wanted to show y'all what it. I don't know if I can't remember if I did a video when I took it out of the skillet and put it in their containers to take over to them. I don't think I did. So I wanted to get a video of it in the skillet still. I get busy doing all of this and I forget that I'm videoing and I need to video. So I forget that. So this is what it looks like in the skillet, but this is after it sat a few minutes. But see, it's heating back up because you can see it sizzling over here. Boiling, simmering. That's the word I'm looking for, simmering. So anyway, we'll plate it up in a minute. All right, so let's get these plated up. I'm going to pour some sauce over the fish. And Steve doesn't like my stir-fried veggies that much. I put too many mushrooms, and he's not a big mushroom fan. So I'm just going to give him a little taste of onion, pepper, and a zucchini over here. And he'll be happy with that. He'll be like, oh, good, she didn't give me any veggies. This is also a slice of homemade pumpernickel bread. I will try to post that video this month sometime.
That's good. Maple syrup.
Honey. Honey garlic.
Very good. Texture is good. It's not too dry. Another couple minutes and it might have gotten a little drier. This is really good. 2 thumbs up. And drool worthy.
Thank you. So there you have it. That's all there is to making honey garlic salmon. It's a quick, easy, drool-worthy meal. Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, bird videos, gardening, and drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Y'all have a very blessed day.